Hey guys, welcome back to the Lazy Tech Guys. Today we have a huge question. Are we going to jump on that bandwagon? That bandwagon being Yo Watch. Unless you're brand new to phone farming, I would say you've probably heard about the new Yo app called Yo Watch. And so are we going to switch our phones over there and jump on that bandwagon? Well, yeah, of course. We're going to switch over and we're going to start testing the Yo Watch app. Well, we've been testing the Yo Watch app this morning. We'll point out this is Thursday, so one day after we did our profit review, which was horrible, I do believe. So what we have done is we switched over this morning. We came in with a whole whopping 36 cents from all day yesterday and last night from letting them run. So that was just horrible. Now I've noticed something, and maybe this is just me, but when they come out with the new app, the Yo app, previous Yo app just seems to die. Maybe I'm wrong, but that seems to be the case. Anyway, you can see here that the money's been flowing in. We started out, like I said, with 36 cents, and now we're at 123. Wow, 123, guys. We've been doing this since, we've been setting up since about 9 o'clock this morning. It's about 11:30 now. Going through all the phones, getting them set up. And let me tell you, that is a pain in the butt, and we're going to come up with a way to make this faster on pushing a new app and getting that set up. We will figure that out. That's what we're good at, the tech stuff. Anyway, so what we're going to do is, even though we're going to do this a little bit different, what we're going to do, because we'll pop this up here. You guys see that? So that was the earnings. So we're going to pop up a quick picture. You know, everybody's getting this. Keep watching little pop up. And you have to click yes and go from there. So, well, what we're going to do to combat that, because we are not out here 24/7. I don't think you guys are in front of your phone farms 24/7. It wouldn't make sense, I don't think, but maybe you are. Maybe it's in a place that you can see it very well. But since we have ours in our office, then our way we're going to combat this is we're going to run this pretty much all day long when we're in the office. We are going to run the Yo Watch. And then in the evenings, depending on how this thing works, we're going to do a couple tests here with this over the next couple days. We're going to leave this on Yo Watch all night and see what happens. And if we have a lot of issues when we come back in, what we will be doing is switching it back over to Yo TV in the evenings, or when we're not going around on a regular basis. However, what I've seen, that little pop-up come up in doing this, I've only seen it on one phone for the last couple hours. And that was the very first phone we started. So if this is going to run only going to show up every couple of hours, that would be easy enough to check on and hit yes. You could remote in. There's 100 possibilities to do that. So for the first couple days, we're going to leave it running on all the apps, and we're going to, between the team, is going to try to keep an eye on them and keep them running, see if we can't make more profit even with it stopping versus running Yo TV when we're gone. However, if that does not work, then we're going to throw Yo TV on and we'll see. We'll easily be able to tell come Wednesday when we look at the numbers whether that was working or so. Anyway, guys, so what we're doing now is we are running the Yo Watch app. Switch over, go check that out if you don't got it on there. I recommend it. We've definitely increased our earnings already. And like I said, you got to pay attention to it because it's not 100% passive, but we are going to, if this causes a problem, switch into the Yo TV when we're not paying attention. So a quick update, guys, on what's going on. Now make sure you like, subscribe, comment on what you think about this new app, because that's important. And remember, you should be seeing a lot of videos coming up with the Lazy Tech Guy Mitch. You should have seen Thursday's video with him in there. We did a live stream on Thursday with Mitch, and we will be seeing a lot more videos from him as well. Anyway, guys, from that point, I think that's it. That's the update that we have today. Other than we are still looking at getting into the nitty gritty of making this stuff easier and making it easier to switch from app to app, start your phones. There's a lot of things we got planned, and we'll go from there. So that is the plan, is to make our lives as phone farmers much easier through the technology. Anyway, guys, hopefully that's intriguing enough, and you guys will hit that subscribe button to find out what we're talking about. And from there, guys, remember, the day's what you make it. Let's make it a good one.